Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Math Teachers Modern English School, Kunti Nagar branch, Nevada. Student, today I am going to discuss some examples of exercise 7b. Example number 29. For 29 number examples, through the midpoint M of the side CD. Through the midpoint M of the side CD. M is the midpoint of the side CD in the given figure. M is the midpoint of the side CD of a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram and M is the midpoint of CD. Okay. The line BM is drawn. Line BM is drawn. Okay. BM is drawn intersecting AC in L. जो इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है AC को, AC the diagonal of the parallelogram ABCD. AC the diagonal of the parallelogram ABCD and AC को इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है L पे. किस पे? L पॉइंट पे. एंड AD प्रोड्यूस्ड इन E, और AD को प्रोड्यूस किया गया कहाँ तक? E तक. तो प्रूव करना है कि EL इक्वल टू 2BL. EL इक्वल टू 2BL. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिवन ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram in which M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of CD. M is the midpoint of CD. Line BM. M is the midpoint of CD. Line BM is produced. Line BM is drawn. Line BM is drawn. Intersect AD at E. Intersect in L. Line BM is drawn. Intersect AC in L. Intersect AC in L and intersect AC in L and AD produced in E. Okay. Prove that EL equal to 2BL. EL equal to 2BL. So proof. EL equal to 2BL. First of all, in triangle DMC, in triangle DMC, in triangle BMC and DME, and triangle DME. BMC and triangle DME. So angle 1 equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, this is the vertically opposite angle. Angle 4 equal to angle 3. Angle 4 equal to angle 3. चूंकि ABCD is a parallelogram and BC is parallel to AD and this is the transversal. Then angle 4 equal to angle 3, alternate interior angles. Okay, and CM equal to DM. CM equal to DM. CM equal to DM क्योंकि M is the midpoint of CD. Okay, so angle phi, triangle is congruence. If you triangle BMC, congruence triangle DME, angle phi criteria. If triangle BMC is congruent triangle DME, then we say that BC equal to DE. BC equal to DE. CP से and CP corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So BC equal to DE. But BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD because the opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. So AD equal to DE. AD equal to DE. क्योंकि AE equal to AD plus DE, put the value AD and AD, क्योंकि AD and DE are equal to 2AD. AE equal to 2AD. AE equal to 2AD. Okay. So चूंकि AE equal to 2AD and BC are equal, then we write 2BC. AE equal to 2BC. Okay. Now in triangle AEL and triangle CBL. So angle phi equal to angle 6, so vertically opposite angles, and AEL, triangle AEL and triangle CBL, and these angles are vertically opposite angle. Okay, and angle 4 equal to angle 3, alternate interior angles. Okay, so triangle AEL similar triangle CBL, angle similarity. If triangle AEL is similar to triangle CBL, then we write AE by CB, AE by CB. The opposite side of this angle is BC. This angle is AE, and the opposite side of this angle is BC. AE by BC. Okay, and 4 equal to 3, and this angle equal to this angle. So BL by EL by BL. Okay, so put the value of AE equal to 2BC by BC equal to EL by BL. BC is cancelled, so 2 equal to EL by BL. If the EL by cross multiplication, EL equal to 2BL. 32. The sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So students, AB and AC and the median AD of a triangle ABC. A triangle ABC, AC and AD. AD is the median, AB and AC is the side, and AD is the median of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the side PQ and PR. Proportional to the side PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. So prove that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So given AB is the proportional to PQ, AC is the proportional to PR, and median AD is the proportional of the median PM. Okay, and AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively. Okay, given to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, students, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. I have 4 criteria: angle, 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 side, 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 angle, side. I have 4 criteria to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. But given कि AB by PQ, AB by PQ and AC by PR, if it is given that कि BC by QR, then easily proved triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by criteria side, side, side. Or if AB by PQ and AC by PR is given, and only it is given कि angle A equal to angle P, then we prove that कि triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, criteria side, angle, side. हम लोग प्रूव करेंगे एंगल A इक्वल टू एंगल P. देन बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन AD is produced to E such that AD is produced to E such that कि AD equal to DE. AD equal to DE. AD is produced to E such that कि AD equal to DE. Okay, and PM is produced to N such that कि PM equal to MN. PM equal to MN. So construction कि AD is produced to E, then AD equal to DE. Okay, and PM is produced to N, and PM equal to MN. Now proof AD equal to DE, and AD is the median of triangle ABC. AD is the median AD is the median of triangle ABC, then we say that BD equal to DC, क्योंकि BD equal to DC, BD equal to DC and AD equal to DE, AD equal to DE by construction, then we say that कि ABEC, then we say that ABEC is a parallelogram, चूंकि diagonals bisect each other, क्योंकि diagonal bisect each other of a parallelogram. Okay, diagonal bisect each other of a parallelogram. If ABEC is a parallelogram, then we write BE equal to AC and AB equal to CE. Okay, AB equal to CE. Similarly, PQNR in triangle PQNR is a parallelogram. Similarly, PQNR is a parallelogram. चूंकि PM is the median of triangle PQR, then QM equal to MR, and by construction PM by MN. Okay, PM by MN. Then diagonal bisect each other. We say that PQNR is a parallelogram. So we write QN equal to PR and PQ equal to NR. BE by AC, AB by CE, QN by PR and PQ by NR. Now AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PM is given. So AB by PQ equal to AC. So AC equal to BE. Then put the value of AC BE by PR QN equal to AD by PM. Okay, this implies AB by PQ equal to BE by QN, 2AD by 2PM, 2AD by 2PM. Multiply 2 in numerator and denominator. So AB by PQ equal to BE by QN equal to 2AD. So this is the AD and DE is also AD. So this is AE. Okay, क्योंकि AE equal to AD plus DE. Okay, and these are AD equal to DE. So AD plus AD equal to 2AD. Then put 2AD equal to AE and 2PM equal to PN. 2PM equal to PN. Okay, so इसको यहाँ लिख देते हैं BE equal to AC and AB equal to CE. Then AB by PQ. Look up student, AB by PQ. BE by QN. BE by QN and AE by PN and AE by PN. Then we say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQN. Then we say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQN. Side criteria. Then this is the angle 1 and this is the angle 2 and 3 and 4. Then angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay. Again, AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PM is given for AB equal to CE for CE. PQ equal to NR, CE by NR equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PM. Okay. Now CE by NR equal to AC by PR equal to 2AD by 2PM. Okay. So 2AD equal to AE. So CE by NR equal to AC by PR equal to 2AD equal to AE and 2PM equal to PN. Okay. So CE by NR. Okay. AC by PR and AE by PN and AE by PN. Then we say that the triangle ABC, triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRN. Then ACE is triangle PRN. Then we write the angle 3 equal to angle 4. Equation 2. Okay. From equation 1 and 2, angle 1 plus angle 3 LHS is LHS and angle 2 plus angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 1. Angle A equal to 2 plus 4 equal to angle P. Okay. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB by PQ and AC by PR and angle A equal to angle P root. Then triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. Side angle criteria.